welcome to a little behind the scenes on our Top Gear statics. So yesterday we were with Chris Harris, we were at Silverstone, and we were with the Huracan STO. So I'm taking a bit of a risk with this one because I want to create a sense that the car is moving. We're replicating these motorway lights with these DMX controlled lights that are run by a computer. It's all very cool. Hopefully to get the reflections on the car body and stuff. So we're just setting for one of my favourite shots, which is the exhaust shot. Exhaust on, proper loud noise. Water and moisture like eject out of it. Jay's doing a bit of playback. Look at that. Nice one, dude. Next setup. Beautiful. The trickiest thing for me is to keep the ideas fresh, but thankfully every car's different. Oh, do you know what? It's a Lambo. I'm going to throw flame in it. Other times I just throw some lights at it. Honestly, it's now 12 o'clock and we haven't really even done a wide yet, so I'm getting a little bit ants in my pants, if I'm honest, but we've got the concept dialed in now, so we should be able to crunch through the shots pretty quickly. This actual shot, we're actually going to have it moving. It's going to drive out. This is one of my favourite static sequences. It's the Lamborghini Sian. So it starts with a bit of abstract stuff, and it goes into the fire, and you've got flame in reverse. You've got puddles, and then you've got liquid reflecting, mirrored stuff, and the heat haze. It was edited by Jim Hillier and shot by Toby Wilkinson. They've made it stellar, absolutely stellar job. Boom, 3/4 reveal. Just love the way that flame reveals the car, and you've got the ripples, you've got the flame, absolutely love it. That all happens so quickly, but the reality is we're in here dialing in a shot for about an hour each time. Like, to get that rear 3/4 there, you've got to park the car, you've got to line it up, you've got to bring the lights in, you've got to prevent the reflections from happening, you then dial in the flame doesn't work, and then the flame comes in the wrong settings, and then the lights aren't on, then the car lights turn off, and you've got to reset it. It's like, it is non-stop. Oh, redo it, get the timings right. But you know, once you get it, it's so rewarding.